Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to unlock 12 Pro Max, which is on the latest ISO 18, and I'm going to permanently unlock this iPhone. iPhone is locked it to owner. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max and I'm going to unlock this permanently. First of all, you need to buy the unlocking file from us. If you're interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me on this number or you can email us in the description link. So if you like and subscribe, I will give you 10% extra discount on our unlocking file. This method is 100% working and a lot of people are buying. So kindly like and subscribe to get 10% extra discount on our unlocking file. So after buying the unlocking file from us, just you need to download 3U tool on your PC or laptop. It's working on MacBook and also it's working on laptop and Windows. So after buying the unlocking file, just you need to download 3U tool and import the unlocking file in your 3U tool and connect your phone and start flashing. It's very easy and you can simply unlock your iPhone with this method. This method is permanent and you can also use SIM card, call, data, everything will work fine. If you have any new updates in future, you can also update it on. Also, if you want to reset your phone, you can reset. This is permanent method. Just you need to flash your phone one time and you will enjoy your phone for lifetime. So our flashing is started. It will take little bit time to complete the flashing. Also, this method is working on the latest ISO 18.1 and 18.2. Also, this method is working on iPhone 16 series. For example, it's also working on iPhone 16 Pro Max. Also, it's working on iPhone 15 series, iPhone 14 series, iPhone 13 series, iPhone 12 series, iPhone 11 and X series. So if you want to buy this unlocking file, just you need to WhatsApp me on this number or you can email us on the email address in the description link. Just you need to email us if you don't have WhatsApp number and we will provide you the unlocking file. For example, if you buy the unlocking file, your question is how you will pay us. If you're interested in our service, you can pay us in Bitcoin or USDT with any crypto wallet. There are many crypto wallet available in a lot of countries. For example, most popular is Binance, Coinbase, bitcoin.com, Bitcoin wallet, or many other wallet like Trust wallet. So you can pay us with any crypto wallet in Bitcoin or USDT. So you can see our flashing is almost completed. It will take little bit time. Also, this unlocking is permanent. You don't need to bypass again and again and again. Just you need to flash your phone one time and your old iCloud will be 100% gone forever. If you need any help, you can WhatsApp me on this number and I will provide you the unlocking file. If you don't have WhatsApp number, then you can email us. So if you don't have email address, then you have to make WhatsApp number as well. So our flashing is almost completed. After the phone will start, we will do some random setting to activate your to complete our activation. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max and I have also iPhone 12 Pro. I will show you in my new video. So after watching this video, you can see iPhone 12 Pro video coming soon after I upload this on YouTube. So you can see this is iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is locked to owner, and you can see the new logo of 18.1 ISO. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Don't worry if you see data and privacy, it means your iPhone is 100% unlocked. If you see the activation lock again, then you need to flash your phone again. But don't worry, our service is permanent, so you will not see your activation lock again. Voila, data and privacy, it's mean the old iCloud is gone. And now we can continue to our settings. Just you need to follow the steps to complete the settings. This method is working on iPad model. Method is working on iPhone. This method is working on MacBook. If you have MacBook, you can also WhatsApp me or email us, so we will provide you service for MacBook. If you are a shopkeeper, if you want to do business with us, And if you want to unlock many phones, you can also contact us. Welcome to iPhone. You can see that our iPhone is unlocked. iPhone 12 Pro Max in white color, it's unlocked, and now we can use phone like normal. So this is iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is on the latest ISO 18.1, and we have successfully unlocked this phone. The old iCloud is gone. FMI is turned off, and you can see battery, everything is working fine. You can enter the SIM card if you have and make new calls. You can see you can enter the new iCloud account here. You have to enter the new iCloud account here if you want, and you can see this is the latest ISO 18. iPhone 12 Pro Max is unlocked. This method is working on 13 Pro Max, 15 Pro Max. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Kindly like and subscribe to get 10% extra discount. Take care. Bye bye.